And just like that, bam, my life has changed forever because I said yes. What an amazing opportunity. A while back, I had fallen and injured my back and my shoulder, which resulted in my having to leave a career I absolutely loved. A few months later, I had a heart attack. From there, things just seemed to get worse. Family members started getting sick, and then we even lost a couple of family members due to illness. I needed to find a plan B as our piggy bank was getting low on coin. I heard from friends to look online, so I did. And wow, I found what I was looking for. There were several opportunities there, but my gut chose this one. I checked it out, and well, here I am, 2 years later, sharing what I found. I love having my own online business. I control when and where to work and also to keep my calendar free so I can always be available for my family, for my friends, shopping, coffee, medical appointments, and anything I want when I want. My online business offers me so much flexibility to do and enjoy my wants and needs. I have the ability to take control of my future with an opportunity to have a successful online business career. I only needed Wi-Fi or data, a smartphone, and a laptop. And I didn't even need to have any business experience. It was all taught to me through step-by-step videos. If I was stuck, I always had a mentor and a community of over 55,000 there to support me anytime I needed help or encouragement. And FYI, that's 45,000 more like-minded people than when I started 2 years ago at only 8,000 people in this community altogether. I can design this opportunity to fit my lifestyle from a few hours a week to a full-time gig. It's my choice. It's my control. I own my time. I would love to welcome anyone to join my team and will help those people live a life they deserve and desire. We offer a no cost to you 90-minute live interactive information session twice a week. Can't talk. That can be accessed from anywhere in the world. And there's no obligation and no catch. Want to learn how? Let's hear it. Yes! All I need is a name and an email to get it all started. I look forward to talking with everyone more about this incredible opportunity. Until then, cheers and have a fabulous day.